Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mazda 3 2 litre SE NAV. It's in lovely pearlescent red. Lovely colour combination on it as well, as you can see. Paintwork's really popping on it. Rear privacy glass. Rear park distance control. Okay, that paintwork's absolutely popping. Great value cars these are, because they come with a lot of extras. As you can see, the boot's in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. Don't really see many with the premium interior like this. Just a lovely beige interior. Bose sound system, electric windows, electric mirrors. Just no wear on the seats or anything. It's in lovely condition. Got electric seats. Just start it up. There's a button. There it is. Cruise control. Heads-up display. It's only done 75,627 miles. It's got 3-stage heated seats for drivers and passenger. Climate control, the aircon is really blowing lovely and cold. Satellite navigation. Screen doesn't do that. You've got the park distance control, that's just the shutter speed on the camera. Full iDrive system here. Lane assist as well there. Multifunction steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity. Rear headlights, lovely condition, it's been very well kept. It's just going to have a service, just going to have an MOT. At DJH provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.